Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So these are still, I have some lilies, Aurelians and Otis flowering, and some Orientals of course. And this is Gerlach from Anton Mego, I believe. Yes. And well, these are not in their best shape yet, but the alliums are also coming up with a lot of buds, so they're lovely. Tall ones, smaller ones, some lovely Aurelian, Henry hybrids, dark nectar is lovely. With green nectaries, the facade trumpet, lovely Mego hybrid, and exotic sun is in bloom now. I have 3 flowering plants from last year's 10 plants. So of course this cultivar was bred for cut flower production, so it may not last long in your garden. Anastasia, triploid OT, Mr. Cass, Scheherazade, and the big one is Leslie Woodruff. And I'm hoping to get some flowers from Beverly Dreams. Mr. Pistache is finishing. Orange Space still has some good buds and flowers. And yes, this will be oh, I broke it. Beverly Dreams. This is Debbie, and there is Red Morning, which is very similar to Debbie. So these triploids, so these tetraploids break very quickly, unfortunately. I have my lavender cuttings in flower, so I have to cut the stems. And still some lovely Firebolt, Dizzy, Aurelians. Still a Zeba is in flower, and the lovely double ones like Lucky Queen and Fredo, Stargazer, and of course a lot of flower burning because of the high UV radiation we have. Auratum with virus, and another Lucky Queen. Still a good bud on Big Smile, and Broken Heart, the OT. Oh, and Guapa is opening, so I have to collect some pollen from it. And this is a mix-up, and I believe it's Laverne Freeman. So yeah, going this way. Agapanthus is in bud, and this is plum tart, not Trader Horn. So this is not the cultivar I was looking for, and I bought this from Obi. So not great. Oh, lovely pink planet, and this one has upright flowers, so it's the true cultivar. That was sold as orange planet, but it's not upright. And I'm just going to discard the old flowers because I don't want to get them in seed. So these flower burnings are not unusual, but I'm not happy about it. Sommersonne, and this lovely trumpet from Guntis, and just discarding. Ooh, this is a nice deep golden flower trumpet. So very nice. And mostly the lilies are gone. Only these triploid OTs are flowering, but because they're triploid they don't set seed, but they're good cut flowers, just maybe not under my really harsh Hungarian sun and conditions. So this is Debbie, and oh, I got the first flower open on Black Beauty. It's also triploid. And Mr. Cass, and yeah, still some lovely lilies. So thank you for your attention and happy gardening. Till next time, bye bye.